Hey YouTube, this is actually our very first project on the house. I obviously didn't do it. Our general contractor upgraded our original electrical panel from this to that. Unfortunately, I was not doing YouTube at the time, so I don't have a lot of videos of the process. I do have some photos, and hopefully others will find this information helpful. This was the original Pushmatic electrical breaker panel that came with the house. We wanted to upgrade this 70 amps to 200 because my wife has a Tesla. We want automatic garage door opener, air conditioning, and maybe an ADU a few years down the line. We did a little bit of research, and these are also kind of a fire hazard and obsolete. The last photo I have is actually my Instagram stories. I took a screenshot of them upgrading the panel from here, and they're gonna put this big one right next to it. Let's go take a closer look. This is where the original electrical panel was. You can see the stucco on the edges looks a little bit different. Here is our beautiful new panel. Our general contractor put all of this in for us. We wanted extra room to expand, so we got plenty of extra spots up there. He only grounded it here, which is where the original electrical panel was grounded. But then once city inspection came, they were like, you need way more grounding. So not just one extra, but two, and we have a third one in front of the house. Once city was done inspecting, Edison came and locked everything up. They helped clean up our wires up there. So we used to use that little one, and if you looked at our neighbors, the wiring was a little bit messy like that, and now it looks pretty sweet. The top one goes to electrical, and the bottom one is our Spectrum internet. This is the third additional grounding point in front of the house. They didn't have to drill down here because this pipe came with the house, but the two in the back, they had to drill 6 to 8 feet down and ground it with copper pipes. Pretty short, simple, easy video. I didn't do any of the work, but felt the information is kind of important and wanted to document. I never thought I would be excited about getting an electrical upgrade, but we are super excited. Can't wait for future projects that need more electricity. 26th video done.